Hey y'all, we're out here at Meadow Lavender Farm, Memorial Day weekend. We arrived back from Florida kind of late this year, so we're getting a late start planting. But most of our plants were started from seeds this winter down at our condo, and then we brought them back and we're getting them in the ground this weekend. We got our friends visiting, Elizabeth and Debbie. Elizabeth's a hardcore farmer. She's got a lot of experience. And what we did was we had built the planter last year, put the dirt in it, let it rest, tilled fertilizer into it today, and then put the front of the deer fence screening. So that one is closed. And we use these little black C-hook things, so like they're like shower curtains, so we can open and close the garden up. Get the idea there. So maybe we'll show you this again in a couple weeks. But our objective is to have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of tomatoes and peppers and zucchinis and beets, things like that, organically grown out here at Mountain Meadow Lavender Farm in Virginia. Happy Memorial Day. Peace.